Hi again, my friend, fellow trader. It's Will here with XAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. And today's video, my friend, is just a quick trade example of using my trading method and MacBot Pro system to trade the Forex markets. It is a day trade on the British pound, Japanese yen. A day trade or swing trade that possibly lasts between 3 to 4 days. Okay, so I'm just going to explain what's actually happened here and why I've went for it and why the trade was activated. Okay, so you can see we've had a trading zone here on the daily charts, and it's also so we have the daily zone here, and what we look for is a 4-hour inside the daily, which we had up here from a previous move over here, and then all we wait for is a signal to enter the market. Okay, divergence signal, which we got many of them this morning, Friday evening on the close, which I opened my trade this morning on the open. Okay, so my target for this trade is I'm going to let it run down to this last low that was taken, last swing high that was taken out. So this is kind of my first easy target, and my second target's here. Okay, so I'm liking it to head down towards 142, another 100 pips in the next coming days, but I will watch it closely. We are already in at really dropped nearly. We got in at 144, 449. See, we sold it here, 3 lots, and it's been dropping nicely. So I'm just going to leave it here the next few days. So it's a very simple process for day trading. Is simply we look to locate daily areas, daily zones that caused something in the previous leg down, i.e. this area caused these lows here. We looked for inside that zone, we look for a 4-hour zone, which was here. Okay, it was over here. So we had a 4-hour inside a daily with a 30-minute signal, which is good. And for a day trade, Friday evening we couldn't enter, so on the open this morning, Asian session, it was a nice selling opportunity, which we sold the trade on the signal, and it's been dropping nicely. We are getting some alternative signals here in the 30-minute charts, but I am liking it to drop a little bit lower. Even though it does pop up again, I'm liking it to come down to 142, 500, so we'll leave it. Okay, so that's just a quick example of a day trading trade. So it is 4-hour inside a daily with a 30-minute or a 1-hour signal, which we got here, and we looked at target the last swing highs or swing lows that were taken out on the way back up. Technically you could say these ones in the 4-hour chart, but I'm liking this one in the daily chart. So I'll watch it closely. Nice trade. So to access the system, my friend, you can click the link below. If you want to learn how to actually trade my system manually, you can head over to Udemy, find one of the links below in the description area, and go through one of my best selling courses on price action. So all this is a price action method. We trade from areas in the chart where price is likely to turn around and start going in the opposite direction, getting us in the moves super early, and especially in day trading you can get 60 to 100 pips, some days more, very easily if you know how to identify the right trading zones and have the right tools to get you into the market. Okay, my friends, so if any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Beautiful trade here, and I'll speak to you soon.